Hello and welcome to DefiCast. Almost episode 1. This is a little bit of a prelude. Just a quick overview of the podcast, where it's going to start, what it's going to cover, and why you should subscribe and listen. DefiCast is a long-time project of mine that I wanted to start. My name is Logan, and I'm the main host of DefiCast. My time in cryptocurrency and digital assets has been, approximately 6 years. A short time, but as we all know in crypto, 1 week is like a million years in crypto. So many things happen. And that's one of the reasons why we wanted to create this podcast. I wanted to help people avoid the pitfalls that I fell into, help people raise themselves up and get the right knowledge at the right time. There's so many bad actors in this space. There's so many scams and rugs and things to watch out for. It's really hard to learn the hard way. And some lessons you do need to learn the hard way, I won't lie. But at least this podcast can explore trading, lots of different tips and things to enlighten people as they go along their journey in this hopefully fairly big bull market we have coming up. Bitcoin today is at 106,000. Obviously a huge milestone for Bitcoin, and everyone's kind of waiting to see what happens after this. We have a lot of institutional money. We have a lot of nation states eyeing up Bitcoin strategic reserves in the first quarter of 2025. So it should be an interesting ride. I'm going to keep this short as just an introduction. I'm your host, Logan. I'm going to lay out some things for you guys to follow so we can get started. And I'm just going to read out basically the manifesto of what we're going to base this podcast off of. This episode of DefiCast is brought to you by you, the listener, the DGen, the investor. Support us by interacting with us on social media and following us at x.com/DeFi_cast. Join the Vanguard Telegram group at t.me/DcastVanguard. Our mission is simple: to build a hub where new and seasoned traders can safely learn, trade, and grow in a market full of challenges. Rugs. At DefiCast, capital preservation isn't just a strategy, it's the only way to be successful. We take WAGME seriously. And as always, take profit, not screenshots. Thanks for listening. It's a podcast by DGens for DGens in decentralized finance. We're going to be diving into cryptocurrency news, discussion, and most importantly, education, and exploring everything from Bitcoin, blockchain tech, right into meme coins as well. The crypto space is thrilling, but it's extremely treacherous. It's also filled with innovation and excitement, opportunity, but unfortunately lots of bad actors, as we said before. That's why DefiCast is more than just a podcast. It's a community, and we aim to educate, empower, and connect crypto enthusiasts from curious newcomers all the way up to the seasoned traders. Our mission is simple: to build a hub where new and seasoned traders can safely learn, trade, and grow in a market full of challenges. At DefiCast, capital preservation isn't just a strategy. It's the only way to be successful. So please join us as we navigate the wild frontiers of crypto, one episode at a time. We'll be doing various spotlights, instructional things, educational bits. We'll spotlight certain tokens that we think are good. Now, this will never be a shill to dump on people and followers and stuff that you see influencers doing all over crypto. This is actually the anti of whatever that is. Anything that is discussed on this podcast is not financial advice. It is more of a spotlight on the things that you should look for, and the tokens that we maybe spotlight would be set as examples for things that you should look for when you're looking to trade and looking for something to invest in. Please follow us on X at x.com/DeFi_cast. We also have a news and discussion community group on that Twitter. So if you could follow that would be fantastic. We'll have very specific news and discussion posted in there and then everyone else from the community who have listened to the shows can also post up things for us to take a look at and give us ideas for shows or things that people want us to cover. So that's x.com/DeFi_cast for Twitter. We also have a news feed, which is a Telegram channel. It's t.me/DefiCast. DefiCast Pod. And you could also join our Telegram community where we're going to be building up the community for people to join, ask questions, where we can share the Telegram bots and share all the educational pieces and links and things that are safe for newbies and seasoned traders alike. You can join that at t.me/dcastvanguard. That's t.me/dcastvanguard. Make sure you go ahead and follow the RSS link for all of the episodes that will be dropping. There'll be Spotify, Apple Music, and all other places that podcasts are available. So follow that RSS feed. You'll find that on our Twitter as well and in the Telegram. Like I said, we're going to try and keep it short. The first episode will be coming out soon. This is just kind of an introduction to let you know that this is the place to come, ask questions, meet people, grow as a community, and try and be successful. Try to make sure that everyone around you is successful, because that's what makes you successful. Thanks for listening, and make sure you take profits, not screenshots. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for listening. Talk to you soon.